Hello there, it's Carrie Rhodes here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am unboxing the May box of the month from Not Too Shabby. It's the Coffee and Friends box. This kit has such a great value in my opinion. There are 3 exclusive stamp sets, 2 ephemera packs that are stuffed full of cute images, and 2 6x6 paper pads. So I'm going to break it down for you, show you everything that comes in this month's box, and you can decide for yourself what you think the value of this is. And by the way, it's an even better value if you get it as a subscription. So let's jump in and take a look at what comes in the May box of the month from Not Too Shabby. Here are the kit contents as they come to you. This is how I got mine, in this plastic bag with all the things. So let's remove that, and then let's take a close-up look at each of the things. I like to start with this fun little goodie bag. There's always a little sequin mix in the kit. This month's kit is called Coffee and Friends. Here's the Sweet Summer collection. Usually these will match the pattern paper and ephemera. We have Yum Earth Organic Strawberry Smash. That's so cute, little sucker. And then all the information for the Not Too Shabby shop. There we go. So sequins, we love a little embellishment with our projects. Let's take a look at the shining stars of this kit, which will be the 3 stamp sets. Oh, so like I said, it's called Coffee and Friends. So here we have our first 4x6 set called I Heart Coffee. So you've got your different coffee cups, and then you have some goodies. So a croissant, look at that, that's cool. And a glazed donut, a bag of coffee beans, and a spoon. And we have like, oh, there's a little face. I didn't notice that. So you could put it right on the cup. Put it on this cup. Oh, that's a really cute face right there with little cheeks. Okay, then we have our 4 sentiments. Coffee and Friends make the perfect blend. You mocha me happy. You have my heart. Let's do coffee. Such a cute set. I'm loving this. Now here's a different set from the ones that have been in the previous Not Too Shabby boxes. This is a solid set and it's almost all sentiments. Like this is the only one that it's a sentiment, but it's also a coffee cup. So I love this because you can really mix and match this with the ephemera. That's cool. And these are ones you could stamp with colored ink and not have to do much or any coloring if you don't want to. So it says, drink the coffee, do the crafts. May your coffee kick in before reality does. Mom fuel, lashes long, and coffee strong. All I need is coffee and scissors. Powered by pixie dust and coffee. So 6 stamps in this set. Such a good set. Another 4x6, and then we have this 4x4 set, and this one has my heart. The little hamster and little things you can have him hold in his hands. The muffin or cupcake, a donut with a bite taken out of it, a boba tea or bubble tea, a little coffee or tea, it could be tea, and a little bow. And then we have 5 sentiments. I'm on the coffee diet. Yum, y'all. We go together like coffee and donuts. Have the best day, and the word sweet. Isn't it cute? Now, what's cool about this set, it's also available as a digital stamp set from the Not Too Shabby shop. And so if you're into digitals like I am, this is a good one. Okay, now let's move on to ephemera. There are 2 ephemera packs in the kit, and one is a little bit more like sentiments and labels, and this one's more images. So if you are in a hurry and want to make some fast cards, these are your thing. I just did a video with last month's kit where I made cards with the ephemera from that kit, and yeah, quick and easy. So we've got cupcakes, different coffee cups. Oh my gosh, donuts that are critters. Stop it. So cute. Look at it. You could make a card just with those three, right? A little mini slimline. Yummy. Some little smooth, that could be like a smoothie right there. So you usually get more than 1, 2, or 3 of each in these kits typically. And that's nice because if you're like me, you're like, oh, it's too cute, I can't use it. Well, then you have 1 to use and 1 to hoard. But you know, whatever is your thing. Look at this little wrap is like a little bear. Oh my gosh. This one is the same, but a larger size. That's awesome. You know what else I love the ephemera for is making like a gift tag that could go with your card. Look, with a heart. So cute, these things. So there's the first ephemera pack. Like I said, this one is more images, right? And then the next one is different. And I think it's kind of fun to have a label type set. So let's take a look at that one. Can I get these back in? No, I'll do it later. Oh, that stresses me out. Okay, here we go. The second kit of ephemera. See, it's totally different. So there's so many different looks you can get with this kit because of these different colors, these different styles. And then each of these ephemera kits have a paper pack that coordinates with them. Isn't that awesome? Look at the cookies. Oh my cute. They're little sandwich cookies. Coffee and Friends are the perfect blend. See the labels? But then you also have images you can use with them. So this is the same, but different sizes. I like that. And then different shades. So you have darker and a lighter. Oh my word, look at that one. That's super fun. Let's see, Coffee Time, a bigger label, an oval. Ovals are always good. Good days start with coffee. Look at the donuts in the cup. I love that. All the different little cookies that go with your coffee or cocoa. These could be cocoa even. Yeah, look at all these pieces. It's so much fun to have extras, I think. So there's the second kit. Now, like I said, we have paper packs that coordinate. So this paper pack right here, Coffee and Friends, do you see how the colors coordinate? Even the images coordinate with these images. So that makes card making just go that much faster when you have coordinating colors and coordinating supplies. So let's jump in and take a look at this paper pack first. Polka dots. Oh my gosh. You cannot go wrong with polka dots. All right, so this is a 6x6 paper pad, 24 double-sided designs, 2 of each. So let's take a look. We've got coffee cups with polka dots. On the back of that is a solid sheet. It's got a little bit of texture to it, a tiny bit. We've got coffee cups and beans with a tan background and a solid sheet. There's 4 or 5 different solid sheets in here, which is always cool because then you know this is going to match exactly. You don't have to hunt for cardstock that matches. I love this one with different names of coffee drinks on it with the cups. And then we have the tiny polka dots on the back. I love this dusty blue color. That's what I have to say about that. Oh my word. And then blue coffee cups similar to this pattern right here, but in blue. Okay, then we have another similar pattern in a different color scheme. See here, similar little smaller cups. On the back of that one is our next solid, kind of a grayish tan, a warm gray. Tiny little coffee cups, stripes. You can always use stripes. Then we have a little crisscross with the coffee names Mocha, Cafe Latte, Espresso, And then on the back, coffee beans. Like, I want a whole pack of this paper in my life. That's amazing. This I love. It's so versatile. The polka dots. Could use on anything. Then we've got more coffee cups, all different varieties of coffee cup backgrounds. And on the back of this one, dark brown. Then we have this kind of suede brown solid. On the back of that, more coffee beans. Thank you so much, with a blue background. And check out these polka dots. That's super fun. And then coffee cups there. This one, they've changed the color of the font. Coffee beans instead of coffee cups. And polka dots. This is a fabulous paper pack. Coffee and Friends. Okay, so this all comes as a kit. I'm going to have all the kit information for you linked below so you can get yours. And at some point, the stamp sets will be available separate, and any extras will be available separate, like the paper packs and ephemera. The best way to get it and the best deal is to buy the kit, and then even better deal would be to subscribe to the box and get it every month. There's a bigger discount if you subscribe. This is the Coffee and Treats. So this is gonna match the original, or the first ephemera pack that I showed you. The colors and the style. I see some really fun ones. So this is just like the cupcakes, and it has the word yum. This is a 6x6 paper pack, 24 sheets, but 4 of each. You see that? So you get 4 of these. It is double-sided. On the back, we've got stripes made of glitter. So there's not actually glitter on here. It just looks like glitter, faux glitter. Then we have a mixture of coffee cups and cupcakes with the word yum. On the back of that, pink stripes. These are the papers that make me happy. Polka dots, stripes. Those are my faves. Okay, then we have one that says Coffee Girl, and it has all the different coffee cups in there. Okay, on the back of that, I love the white background. It's the simple things that make me happy, y'all. Okay, then we have this one that looks like the top of a coffee cup with the little design created in the cream, the whipped cream there. Oh my gosh. And then a close-up of the cream. That is so fun. Here we have the black and white coffee cup. And on the back, I can't make words. They're like irregular irregular polka dots. Love it. Look at this one that says tea. What's on the back? The faux glitter with a pink background. Okay, this is a really cool box. It might be my favorite one from Not Too Shabby so far. Oh, the polka dots. Can't get over it. Okay, so let's just lay everything out here that comes in this box of the month. Our little sequin pack. We have our ephemera pack with those animal donuts. Oh my gosh. Okay, then we have our ephemera pack that had like the labels. 2 paper packs, 2 ephemera packs, 3 exclusive stamp sets. These are exclusive to Not Too Shabby, designed for the shop. Aren't they precious? So cute. Okay, so that is the kit of the month for May, Coffee and Friends. So I'll link it all for you below. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Do you think this is a good kit? Lots of variety. I sure do. All right, so stay tuned to my channel so you can see samples made with this kit coming to you very soon. Happy stamping. Bye.